This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Craig Corbell. Beautiful modern home. Builder offers the best designed affordable floor plans and features. Why settle for less? No HOA, no flood zone, platted and deeded homesite. Includes rear 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, covered Lanai west/kitchen sink, appliances, landscaping, light fixtures. Fabulous floor plan and features. Oversized lot backing up to Canal. Near I-82, Parkdale/Homestead/Jaguar. Still time to make selections. Builder has other plans in other locations. Hunter Homes Us will build on your lot or ours. Options: up to 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 6-car garages, full bathroom off Lanai. Options: garages, tall and long, up to 16 feet by 56 feet, options. ADU, in-law suite, all 2-gen suite, includes separate garage with bedroom, LivRm and complete kitchen and bath. Options: LOFT, with game room, bedroom, bathroom and study area. HunterHomes.us. Most options are available on most plans. Affordable. Best resale value. Blue Ribbon Affordable Award-winning designs! A better way to live, designed for life, affordable beautiful modern homes. Why settle for less? We'll build on your lot or ours. Hunter Homes Us. See photos and options and other house plans at Builder Online, for the best possible designs. Hunter Homes Us is an award-winning builder for over 40 years from the Midwest. Hablas Español, Llama fluent Spanish available with our sales associates. For more information, review the details below.